How to solve this type of tricky radical problem but without using calculator? We are going to see in this video tutorial. Root 2025 divided by 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5. Let's see its solution. Root 2025 divided by, we are going to add these numbers which are in the denominator. This will give us 9. Now this root 2025 is a big number, so we are going to break it down as the product of its prime factor. So this is equal to 405 times 5 divided by 9. This is also divisible by 5. So 5 8 times 40, 5 1 time is 5 times 5 times 5 divided by 9. Now we can see that this 81 is as same as 3 to the power 4 times, we can write this as 5 to the power 2 divided by 9 is 3 to the power 2. When same numbers are dividing with the different powers, we use quotient rule of powers. That says, if a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, then this is equal to a raised to power m minus n. Means powers will be subtracted. So, after subtracting the powers, this is equal to 3 raised to power 4 minus 2 times 5 to the power 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 3 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 2. Now square and root are inverse to each other, so they are going to cancel out this and this. We are left with 3 times 5 is 15, which is the required value of this radical expression. I hope it is clear. If so, please thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.